Come test drive 2006 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: fog lights, roof rack, braking assist, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.